Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 413 different strategies, with 131 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 312 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,050 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says how to create a profitable trading system that actually works. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see if it is indeed a profitable trading system. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the volumatic indicator, the volumatic variable index dynamic average. It's quite a mouthful. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings, and under the video length, we're going to change that to 7, and under the momentum, we're going to change that to 14. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Ripster EMA clouds, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. And so this one can get a tad bit confusing, so just pay close attention here. Under the long EMA3 length, this one right here, I'm going to change that to 45. And under the long EMA4 length right here, you're going to change that to 90. And then scroll down a little bit, and under the source right here, you're going to want to change that to close. Once all those are selected as so, then you can scroll down here to the very bottom and uncheck all of these except for the Show EMA Cloud 4 and Show EMA Cloud 5, and then click OK. And once you have all that set up, what we're looking for a short trade, for example, so we're looking for when price is trading below the two ribbons right here, not the EMA or the moving average line here, but you can see the more ribbon style lines here. Price trading below those, and then what we get is we get a short signal like this here, which if we scroll back a little bit, let's see if we can find it, you can see here how it gives us a green signal and a red signal like this here, and that's what this is. And so once those two line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a short. You'll put your trade right there. You're going to put your stop right up here, right about where that signal or that arrow is displayed. And then you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the downside gets us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for when price is trading above the two clouds like these here, and then we're looking for that break from the moving average line. This one is the volumatic line right here. And so you can see it goes from green, breaks to red, and then gives us a green signal arrow right here. And so once those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at that arrow there, that green arrow, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push gets us to our take profit very quickly. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 56% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $8,800, and that would have put you at an overall gain of $8,000. So not too bad of a strategy at all. Did pretty decent, all things considered. And now compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 38 trades altogether. We had 31 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put us at an 81% win rate. With the looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,200. So better results, a decent little amount better. Now, if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate quite significantly? The total gain would have been closer to the $18,000. And so that definitely would have been a better result. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day we closed out, well, last week we closed out trade number 41. That's 41 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. It's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. The combination is very strong combination, very powerful combination. Obviously, we've done over 41 winning trades using that combination, close to about 3 months worth of profitability at this point. And so in the back testing, it did over 200 winning trades in a row without taking before it took a losing trade. And so again, it's a very powerful combination.
As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we are offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can go to our Discord, join for free, and check out the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.